I know why you clicked. Juicy chicken hot off the grill. And the best part, it only takes one ingredient to make it happen. If you've been cooking your chicken the same way week after week, it gets old fast. This recipe gives a fresh, new flavor to add to your grill game. Juicy, smoky, with just a touch of sweet. We're going Hawaiian style. It's an easy move that levels up your grill game. Let's get to it. The full recipe is linked in the description. For this recipe, I'm rolling with chicken thighs. Bone in for that classic grilled flavor, or boneless if you want something quick and easy. Either way, they soak up the marinade and come out juicy every time. We're using teriyaki sauce for this one. It's got everything built in. Soy for that savory depth, sugar that caramelizes on the grill, and garlic and ginger for a little punch. No spice cabinet raid, no fuss, just pour it in and let it do the work. Let this rest overnight. That's where the flavor builds. The soy tenderizes, the aromatics work their way in, and the sugar sets you up for that golden char. Tomorrow, this chicken's ready for the grill. Set your grill up for 2-zone cooking. We're cooking over direct heat. This high heat will give you the char, the smoke, and it caramelizes that teriyaki marinade. While the grill heats up, let's make a little dipping sauce. I'm gonna start off with 3 tablespoons brown sugar, half a cup of our pineapple juice, and you can use this from the can of pineapple juice, and 1/4 cup of soy sauce. Pop this in the microwave for about a minute. Let that brown sugar melt. Give it a good stir, and then let's let this cool off while we cook. Let your dipping glaze cool a few minutes, then add 1 teaspoon of lime zest. All right, let's give these a flip and let the other side catch that same char. I like to move this chicken to the cool side of the pit when it hits 150 internal. Then we can add our baste. All right, our baste is very simple. We're gonna drop on a pineapple ring. We're gonna take 3 tablespoons of melted butter and drizzle it right over the chicken while it finishes. What makes this one so good is how the flavors stack up. You've got the teriyaki that's been working overnight, salty, savory, just a little sweet. Now it's picking up the smoke from the grill. Then the pineapple drops in that clean brightness and the butter melts right through, tying it all together. It's different but not over the top, just bold, simple flavor that works. If you've never had Hawaiian flavored chicken, you're in for a treat. I still remember the first time I made this for the kids. They tore through it like candy. And I saw the pan of juices later had little finger streaks where someone licked it clean. That's when I knew this one was a keeper. That's what you want to see. Juicy all the way through, smoky char on the outside, and that pineapple and butter melting right over the top. Let's see what this chicken's all about. Now you don't have to dip in the sauce. That's your call. Oh, that hits every note. You get the smoke first, then the teriyaki with the salty, sweet depth. The pineapple brings in clean brightness, and the butter ties it all together. Juicy, smoky, sweet and rich, but still simple. If you're stuck cooking chicken the same way week after week, this recipe changes it up. Hawaiian-style grilled chicken, easy and flavorful. Give this one a shot and let me know how it turns out for you. Hit like and subscribe for more easy to follow recipes that you can make at home. And as always, keep it bold, keep it spicy. Until next time, adios.